కూడా చాలు బడ్డెన్గా తీసుకోకుండా హాయిగా మనకు సంతోషంగా
40 రోజులు అయిపోయిన తర్వాత
No, for this Sri Chakra puja, all you have to do is like purchase flowers and the candles that are the expenses. But then you don't have to like serve lunch or anything like that. Anybody can do this puja. Like we are thinking we'll like go form a group and then host everybody. Yeah, whoever we have a house, like whoever would like to host, we'll all like come in a group and we help. And then we'll do like last time, like auntie and they all came, they made arrangements all this. So I did the hosting this time. So like if anybody likes to host it, then it's on like yeah, there is no obligation like you have to serve dinner or
అవన్నీ పెట్టుకోవాలి. పండు తాంబూలం పెట్టి పట్టు తాంబూలం
little prasad is enough.
ముఖ్యంగా ఏమంతా అది అందరూ కలిసి ఒక కూడి సామూహికంగా సత్సంగంగా చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది.
Then it will give more benefits.